I've been swimming my entire life, and I've come to realize the importance of an effective swimming earplug. Over the last decade, I have gone through dozens of different earplugs. Some were easily lost, some were ridiculously uncomfortable, and others just didn't work effectively. One day, I got sick and tired of always having to remove my swimming earplugs every time I wanted to hear my friends speak to me, and there was the inspiration. Why not design a swimming earplug that allows you to hear outside of the water? And that's exactly what we've done.
Sorry, what did you say?
My point exactly. Together with my team of experienced designers, here at Anello we've conducted extensive research into different ear shapes and sizes across all different types of demographics, and we've come up with a product that can fit any ear shape perfectly. Throughout the design process, our key focus was maximizing comfort and ensuring that water cannot enter the ear canal while maintaining a hearing function. The triple-layered silicone ear inserts come in 3 different sizes, which will fit comfortably in any ear. Our custom-built frame and securing hook maintains steadiness, and finally, the EPTFE waterproof mesh is the game changer. It allows for sound permeability while keeping water out. The custom frame also comes in 5 distinct and stylish colors that will allow you to find your plugs with ease. We are very serious about making our design a reality and have visited various factories ourselves to determine the best choice for mass manufacture. We needed an FDA-approved silicone that's environmentally friendly while also ensuring an affordable final price, and we assure you that all of these targets have been fully achieved. All we need now is your support to help us begin mass manufacture. With your support, this product will become a reality and will revolutionize your swimming experience. Please back our project, and you will be one of the first to have this game-changing swimming earplug in your possession. Thank you for watching.